You're going eastbound, correct?
Negative, sir. We're going northwest to Simsbury.
Number 3 to the back, I'm sorry. Runway 2 cleared for takeoff. On course is approved.
Clear for takeoff, runway 2 on course 3 to Quebec.
Fury 47 for inner tower.
Hi, yes, sir. Good morning. Fury 47, single 860, about 5 miles from the airfield, transitioning north to south on the western edge of the airspace to the CTAF for firefighting.
Fury 47, roger. And Brandon altimeter 3016, transition through the Brandon class of Delta. Surface area is approved, and they're supposed to be expanding that to 4 miles and 3,000 feet. And just letting you know that.
Roger that. We are part of the office of Foliage. Thank you, sir.
Alright, I'm going to rotate at 53 knots. Got the center line call. Begin to rotate. Looking to climb out at 79. Runway heading. Smooth departure, we're at 83. We're at 80. Runway heading, 350. $500. Going to 900.
Number 3133 Quebec, contact barrel approach 123.905.
Contact approach for Quebec, thank you. Bradley departure Cherokee 313 Quebec, 1,100 climbing 1,800, 1 mile north Hartford.
November 8, equation number 5, Charlie Victor, right. So you're going to be staying along the river? Okay, Roger, you should be fine there. 3133 Quebec, Bradley departure, radar contact, Bradley altimeter 3017, stay altitude.
3017, 1,800 to Simsbury.
Roger.
Three 3017, 1,800. There's my 1,800. Look at my left. All right, so $122.7.
Charlie Victor, contact Banner Tower.
All right, so I got my 122.7 in. My Simsbury. All right, let's get us to Simsbury. $2,200. Electric fuel pumps on, landing lights on. Mixture's full rich. Gumps check complete. Seven miles away from the Simsbury. Get on my track.
November 99 Delta, contact New York approach 124.07.
Keep an eye out for...
Is that 12407 for 99 Delta? 2407 for 99 Delta. 12407, 9 Delta, thank you.
That must be Simsbury there. All right, see what we got. 1200, it feels pretty smooth. Electric fuel pumps on, lane lights on, mixture is full rich. Car beats off, 1,800. Ground speed is 86. Indicate
Morning, Chronos 114, 10,000 with kilo. 114, Bradley approach, descend to maintain 4,000.
Bradley off to my right. Hey, Bradley. First time coming over here. We got a 10 knot headwind. 95, 87, ground speed, bottom left. Oh, that track.
Uh, 33 Quebec, advise Simsbury in sight.
33 Quebec, looking for the airport, sir. Approach 33 Quebec, I believe I have the field in sight.
Alright, just advise when you're sure you have it in sight.
Copy that, thank you, sir. Alright, let's look for this thing. I want to say that's it right there.
33 Quebec, it should be at your 1 o'clock in about 3 miles.
33 Quebec, I see it. It's the first time here, so I believe that's the airport, so I would say I have it in sight, sir.
33 Quebec, roger, radar source this terminating squawk VFR, frequency change approved.
Thanks for the help, approach 33 Quebec. Simsbury traffic, Warrior 3133 Quebec. I am 2 miles south of the field. We'll be setting up for a left downwind for runway 33 Quebec. And 33 Quebec is at 1,900 right now, just south of the field, 2 miles. Simsbury traffic, Warrior 33 Quebec is 2 miles southwest of the field. We'll be heading up for a 45 entry for the left down for runway 3, Simsbury. Electric fuel pumps on, lane lights on, mixture is full rich, car beats off.
Simsbury traffic, helicopter 4471 Golf is 10 to the southwest, 1100 inbound Simsbury.
Simsbury traffic, Warrior 33 Quebec is entering the 45 for the left downwind for runway 3, Simsbury. Field elevation is 200, traffic pattern is 1200. Simsbury traffic, Warrior 33 Quebec, left downwind, runway 3, Simsbury. Alright, let's do this. One notch flaps in, red 80. Notches in. Watch my speed. Simsbury traffic, Warrior 3 to get back to left base runway 3, Simsbury. Right 1,000. 70. Watch my speed. $900, 70. Full flaps in.
Simsbury traffic, helicopter 4471 Golf is a B&Q Berry Tower, Simsbury.
Simsbury traffic, Warrior 3 to get back to turning final runway 3, Simsbury. Watch my speed. Simsbury traffic, Warrior 3 to get back. We're back taxiing runway 3. We're going to pull off and so you can land. Simsbury traffic, Warrior 3 to get back is currently back taxiing runway 3. We'll pull off for landing traffic, Simsbury.
Hey, we're still about 4 miles out at about 70 knots ground speed, so you got plenty of time to do what you got to do.
I appreciate it. I'm going to take the time. It's the first time here. I'm going to enjoy the scenery.